I want to need to show you guys. The certificate of participation. This certificate proudly presented to Arsenal Football Club. This certificate is proudly presented in recognition of their continued participation in the Premier League season after season. While titles may be elusive, their commitment to being present, competing, and finishing in the respectable positions is truly commendable. Awarded on this day as a testament to their consistency, style of play, and occasional title challenges that keep the league interesting. Signed, Premier League fans worldwide. Wow, absolutely unbelievable, guys. This sums up your club. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna be really honest. Um, this is what happens when your fans get gassed up over, minuscule of things. You know what I mean? Bro, I bet you right now there's probably fans saying, pray for Madrid. I bet you.
Anything that was different from last game. If someone can get us something different from these 3 games that we played, Leicester, West Ham, and this game, nothing changed. 0 shots on target, bro. 6 years of my life. 800 million. Bro. 0.
Yeah, sir.
Do you know what kind of teams get 0 shots on target? Like, it rarely happens that you don't get a shot on target. Rarely happens. Nottingham Forest had a shot on target in the first half. Nottingham Forest should have won the game. They should have won the game. If Chris Wood was on his day, they would have won the game. But that's how it is. And the next game will be the same way. We'll cross the ball and hope. It's not like it's going to change. It's never going to change. It's going to continue like this. And then we'll win games. There are certain games you are going to win using this system. And then everybody would think that this system works. So now we're going to have to wait for another loss so everybody can be shocked again. Like they got fish memory. Like they're just, oh shit. Oh, how did we lose today? Bro, it's the same way we lost today is the same way. Sorry, the same way we drew today feels like a loss. And the same way we lost against West Ham. So on. It's the same way, always the same way. Low block, mid block, catch us on the counter. Same football.
But that's the thing. This manager is he's a certified politician. He is a PR's dream. A lot of these top gooners' wet dreams, but that's a whole different, you know what I'm saying? But look, it's the truth.
No need for that.
It is the truth. It is the truth. It is the fucking truth. I have to say it. You know, we've all said, our shit here, but at the same time, it's like, I'm beyond surprised. And, it's getting to the point now where it's getting beyond Spursy. Because at least we all know what Spurs are. But everything that we mock Spurs for, all of us here, we are worse because we expect better. But because we keep gassing shit, we expect diamonds. Like we expect gold and copper and silver from shit. No, shit is shit. Shit plus shit equals shit. It doesn't equal anything else. It equals shit.
Depends on the context.
Well, there you go. Well, yeah. Context, guys. Context is everything.
Use context.
More composure in front of goal. Our defense is no longer reliable. It's not reliable. You can't rely on this defense. Look how many opportunities we gave to them. Do you know what I'm saying? We are lucky that we've got a very good centre back pairing that's just about trying to keep it together, because they keep getting exposed thanks to Calafiori. The manager's talking about, we're going to get the most out of players. Bro, if you want a midfield that's going to create, Jorginho, this is not the game for Jorginho. Their counter-attack is too quick for a player like Jorginho, and that's why he got hooked. And he doesn't offer you anything defensively. Calafiori, you saw against West Ham. Everything that he does good is going forward in the opposition in the final third. That is everything that he does good. There's nothing that he does good defensively. He never has a good defensive display. So why do you continue? If Trossard's dropping a stinker, take him off and put Calafiori as left winger. He was occupying that space anyway. Or take Moreno off and play Calafiori through the middle. He was occupying that space anyway. What is the point? If you're going to use Moreno as a proper target man, then get some players that can actually pass the ball. Bring Zinchenko on to the midfield because he can actually string a pass. Put Ethan in the number 10. He can string a pass. Even I've been saying Ethan wasn't good against West Ham as a winger. He wasn't good today as a winger. He's not a winger. He's a number 10. Why don't you just move his position and take Odegaard off instead? I don't understand. There's basic things that he could do. You're playing Declan Rice. We're not transitioning with the ball properly. We're struggling to break them down. Take him off and bring and just put a midfielder flipping Ethan as a 10 and play Zinchenko next to him and put Partey as a defender shielding the back line. Because Partey can string a pass, so can Zinchenko, and so can Ethan. You've got a way more creative, more competitive midfield. Try something different. Why has it always got to be the same old rubbish? What did Jorginho bring to the team today? What did Odegaard bring to the team today? I just don't understand. Odegaard can drop stinkers, but he's never out of position. But Ethan has to accommodate for Odegaard. Since when? Who's been better this season, Ethan or Odegaard? Why does Ethan have to accommodate for Odegaard? Who is Odegaard? That he must play the number 10 and he must start every game and he must get minimum 85 minutes. Based on what? Moreno wasn't doing anything. When we're trying to play, there was one time Odegaard played the ball into Moreno and he was just losing the ball. The crosses were atrocious from all of them. So what is the point? What is the point? Play 3 at the back, change it up, play Tierney as a wing back. Play flipping Timber as a wing back. Play 3 at the back. Change the formation. We're getting cooked on the transition every time. Second half, what was the plan? Set piece FC. We were looking for the set piece every opportunity in the second half. We were just waiting for set piece after set, corner after corner after corner after corner. It is boring. It is boring. And then you see a team like Forest. One ball over the top, boom, they're in on goal. Quick transition, quick pass from Gibbs or from Hudson-Odoi. Chris Wood is almost through on goal. Almost through on goal. How many times did we leave our centre-backs exposed? Because we're playing a high line. Our fullbacks are playing too much of a high line, exposing them. We knew they're going to hit us on the counter. It was a joke. How long did it take to take Jorginho? It took 17 minutes to take Jorginho off. When we was getting cut open again and again and again and again and again. But I just don't understand it. This guy's man management is horrendous. He sits there and just thinks that the players are just going to put it right. I just don't get it. Did you see when the camera panned to Arteta after Partey smashed it wide? You are banking on Thomas Partey to save you. I've been saying this guy relies on the defenders to get him the goals. I don't know what the attackers are doing. They're just there to make up the numbers because we're constantly relying on our defenders to score us goals, relying on Calafiori, relying on Gabriel, relying on Partey, relying on Rice. It's a joke, man. There's no creativity with this manager. There's no invention. There's no something that you go, oh, wow, that's something new. Never. It's always the same robotic bullshit. I told, man, like for like substitutions, we'll keep the same formation. We're not going to change anything. And what's his response in the press conference? Oh, but we play multiple different positions when we're in and out of possession. Fuck off, man. Don't insult our intelligence. Piss off, bro. I'm done with this, man.
Is there to say, fam? Man, just gonna repeat myself.
Hey, fair enough.
Anything I have to say right now, I've been saying, blood. So it's just a case of all right, it's kind of materializing now. So it's like, okay, yeah, it's like we'll never tell you, man. But just remember, like, we haven't played anyone yet. You know, Liverpool squad isn't impressive. All of these lines and buzz talks because the Arsenal fans, it's like, why is it so difficult to just simply look at a situation and just simply see it for what it is, rather than just get your emotions involved and think that, oh, because I feel this way, then it must be right? No, blood. If you need a striker, you just need a striker. No one cares about your feelings, especially not the Arsenal owners, innit? If you need a striker, you just need a striker. If you need better players, you just need better players. And I see, what's this man, the 105 mil brother? What name again? Rice? That's what name? Declan Rice. Yeah, man, this man under this position, if you're an actual baller, when you get pressed by two men, you deal with it. You don't run the ball out for a flipping throw. Bro, I've been telling you, man, this brother is a center back playing in midfield, and you spent 105 on him. Bro, stop this. I saw today, this is why, as I tell you, man, I need to stay off Twitter. I saw today where someone took a picture of our 5 midfielders. Liverpool, by the way, I support Liverpool. or 5 midfielders and then put a picture of Declan Rice below it, stating that he'd take Declan Rice over all 5 combined. Thank you. And that is exactly where you are, and that is exactly why you ain't winning shit. Because you need squad depth. Even if you don't think all 5 of them are better than Declan Rice, guess what? 5 players can do way more than 1 player, no matter how good that 1 player is. And they say, oh, it's quality over quantity. Hey, guess what? When the quality is injured, where's the backup? Where's the backup? Where's the backup? You don't have any. Why? Because you never invested in any. Why? I don't even know. I don't even know. I'm broke. I'm stupid. I'm sitting here. I know what you need. You guys know what you need. But the people who get paid the millions don't know.
Mad.
Crazy.
Sat them. Look, which one? How many Arsenal fans here? Sat them. We can hire not stuff. Hire Gun Down. Hire any one of these man. Give them the millions because clearly they deserve it. Because at least they know what decisions to make. Hire me, shit. Listen, I'll put on an Arsenal shirt for 15 mil or whatever the hell them man making it.
Bro, it's crazy, man. I'm tired of repeating myself. I'm tired. How about that? I'm tired of repeating myself. I'm tired of doing shows.
You know what, like, you said that
I'm tired of supporting this crap, bro. I'm truly tired of supporting this shit. It is boring, yeah, to be complaining every video. It's boring and it's tiring, bro. I'd much rather be making content, being happy, celebrating, chilling, seeing everybody else drop points, seeing everybody else take L's. It'd be a much better. I'd rather, bro. Yeah, it is difficult to be motivated to be talking about this club, but the reality is, yeah, people need to wake up, bro. The fan base has got too many delusional fans that want fantasy, bro. Kyle, let me get you in, bro. Kyle.